it's Zeron's Mommy C, that's me, and today I'm going to pull off this look. This is giving me Coachella vibes, quinceañera vibes, prom vibes, walking to the grocery store, anything you want to wear it to, you can wear this because you are 100% that bitch, okay? You coulda had a bad bitch. If you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure to watch this whole video and share with your bad bitch friends so they can all look good too. And before you break up with your fuckboy, tell them to buy you this makeup and then break up with them, and then you can curve them on the first day of school or whatever. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please keep watching. Isaiah's prepping my hair.
I missed.
Okay, so to start out, I'm gonna use the Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. And I actually really like this. It's actually a really creamy texture. I mean, I don't like the smell. It smells like when you're walking in a grocery store and you walk into the healthy aisle with all the organic vitamins and oatmeal and stuff like that. It smells like that. So I'm actually gonna start with my eyes first. That's what I usually do when I do my makeup, just because it's easy for me to just clean up whatever I need to. Like always, I'm gonna use my favorite palette ever. It's the Bad Habit Athena 18 color eyeshadow collection palette. It's my favorite ever, and pretty sure it was only $10. If you're on a budget and can't spend $60 on her palette, I really do highly recommend this palette, like I said in my video a long time ago. So to start out, I'm gonna use the shade called Purity for the just for all over, and for that I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild brush. It is clean, it's just stained. And then I'm going to do the purple shade in here. It's called Justice. It's this one right here. It's really pretty. I'm gonna use that to do in the crease, and then we're just gonna kind of blend it all over. So for that, I'm gonna use another Wet n Wild brush I have. It's not dirty, it's just stained, but it's this one. It's really good. Okay. Blend it out. This right in the center. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, and then I'll be back. Okay, so for the lid, I'm gonna use this Radiant Liquid eyeshadow from Knick Knack New York. It's really pretty. It's in the shade Polaris Peach. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna put some of that on my lid and just blend it out with the same brush that it comes with. Ooh. Same brush. I'm gonna just wipe off a little bit of the extra, then put it on my lid. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Like this. And then I'm just gonna brush them out with my Gimme Brow by Benefit. It's a little mini. Okay. And I'm just gonna brush them up again. this is the brow shaper. It comes with a little. Then I'm going to use another one of my Wet n Wild brushes. This one. Again, it's just stained. And then same thing with my Shape Tape concealer. So I'll be back when I do. Okay, so now that I cleaned up the bottom of my eyebrows, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up just to go through them one more time. I don't like when they look too straight at the bottom. See? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put on my foundation, and this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in cream beige. All the red spots mainly. This is a little too light for me, but it's okay. Use a little bit of my concealer just to clean this up. A little bit more of that. And whatever's left. Here. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder in translucent. I have a little mini one here. It gets really full at the top. Just gonna use a little bit of that for under my eyes. So I don't really bake, I just put it on and brush it off right away. Sorry, I got a call. So anyway, just, oops, my nose ring. So I'm gonna put a little bit more of my little tiny bit of this foundation on. Again. For my bronzer, I'm gonna use my favorite bronzer, which is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. Can't even see the name anymore because this is actually my second one I bought of these. And this is in the shade 022 Sun Bronze. And I love these because it works really good and it's only like $5. Carve out my cheekbones. Because I know they're in there somewhere. You just need to come out and say hi.
Two hours later.
Okay, with my coconut aloe vera spray again. This to dry, put on my lashes, which are the Ardell lashes, and I don't remember what kind they are, but this is what they look like. They work really good. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use this duo glue. This is my favorite glue. I use the white or the clear end to put them on. It works really good. I like how it dries fast. So I'm gonna put on my lashes and then I'll be back. Voila! So I put my lashes on and they're very beautiful, as you can see. I'm gonna do a little bit of my bottom mascara with my favorite mascara, which is Monsieur Big. Okay, my highlighter, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, which is obviously one of my favorites. This is my second one as well. It actually broke. Moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup. On my chin. Oh, it is a lot. It's a really pretty color. It matches my eyeshadow perfectly. So I'm just gonna use that. For my lip liner, I'm gonna use this Jordana Easy Liner Rock and Rose lip liner. I'm gonna try to use a little bit of this purple shade very lightly from Winky Luxe Kitten Palette. I'm gonna try a little bit of this highlight from this palette, so see how it looks. I think it's very subtle. What I'm noticing is that the sides of my mouth look really dark, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on there. And I should have done this before I did my setting spray, but I'm just gonna look around and see if there's any little like black specks from mascara or something, and just take it off with a spoolie. Okay, a little bit more spray. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked it. I hope you are still here at the end of the video. This is a fun look if you're going dancing, to prom, anywhere you want to go, to a quinceañera. Yeah, anywhere. It's really pretty. It's purple. Anyway, so I hope you guys liked it, and if you really enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.